Hi, it's Christina K. I'm back again with another walkthrough of a floor plan. This one is offered by Meritage. I am a licensed real estate broker serving both North and South Carolina in separate capacities as a referral broker in North Carolina and a primary broker in South Carolina. This floor plan is a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with tons of flexibility. As you walk in downstairs, you'll see a spacious open concept from the kitchen and living area, perfect for entertaining or having quiet time. The kitchen overlooks the dining and the great room. There is plenty of storage in the pantry area. Off from this kitchen is you're going to find a full bathroom and a bedroom. This is perfect if you have guests over, if you have visitors, multi-generational living, or if you want to use it as office space. You'll find the entrance to your 2-car garage off of the kitchen as well in this floor plan, which is really convenient when bringing in groceries or needing to get in the car fairly quickly. Let's head on
The owner's
upstairs.
suite is a spacious primary suite with its own private bath and a walk-in closet, giving you comfort
Upstairs, you'll
and
find a
privacy
loft
all in one.
space. This
A
is
dual
flexible,
vanity,
so you
a
could use it
stand-up
as a movie night
shower,
room, a
and
play
look how
area, or a
spacious this
second living
closet is.
space. Directly off from the loft area, you're going to find
This
one
video doesn't
of
know
the secondary
justice.
bedrooms,
The Bushwick 2 offers about
and it has a
2,100 square feet
closet,
with
of
3
course.
bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car
A peek
garage,
at that.
all thoughtfully
Next
designed
to
and
that,
laid
you'll
out.
find the
If
laundry
you'd like to see this
facilities,
plan in
which is
person or
convenient to be
explore
on
how
the
my
upper
broker rebate
level where
program
the
can help you
owner's
save
suite and the
more,
other bedrooms
contact me.
are, and a shared bathroom for those 3 secondary rooms. There's one, and then there's the other. So those are 3 rooms upstairs that share that one bathroom, and then, of course, the guest bathroom and bedroom downstairs. At the end of the hallway, you'll find the owner's suite. This primary suite is upstairs. It includes dual sinks, a spacious shower, and a walk-in closet. It gives you a private, comfortable retreat from the noise outside of your bedroom. This floor plan is about 2,300 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, it's 3 bathrooms, and 2-car garage. It's energy efficient and it's part of Meritage's build standards in many locations. If you want to walk through the Paisley in person or see design options or learn about how you can save, I'd be happy to show you around. Drop me a message and let's schedule you a tour of this floor plan at one of the beautiful communities.